I felt.
There was a void. And days kept going by. Times flashing, moments running.
So I filled that void. Just like this little girl filled up the space on the swing.
Hi guys! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited! I have a microphone right now. Finally!
Hello, guys. Hi, 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 hi. Oh my god, I still cannot believe it. Like, I'm excited, super excited. So I got myself a microphone and I'm super excited. Like, I've had this for a week since I received it. But I don't know. I just wanted to unbox it with you guys because I feel like this is a new beginning for me. Yes, like I'm so excited. Like we've been through this journey together. We've been through all the times where you guys had to deal with like the nonsense audios. You had to deal with like all the background noise and all that. So I just found it peaceful. And I just found it like thoughtful. I just found it interesting to unbox it with you guys and show you what I got. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. I don't know why I've just had like a new energy for like this whole YouTube thing and I'm so excited. Guys, it is even the fact that I can change like positions like oh my goodness, I'm feeling it's the fact that I can just change like positions. Like I'm going to sit anywhere and make this video. The comment is super far from me, and I'm so excited about it. Oh my goodness, guys! You can even tell how happy I am. Super anxious to unbox it with you guys, but then, like I said, I really wanted to unbox it with you guys, like open it, like with the rubber and everything so on it. So I'm super excited. I honestly, I'm happy that you guys get to see the unboxing, and I've been looking for a way, I've been thinking of a way to do the unboxing video, right? But I just wanted like a nice background, like the perfect background, perfect ambience, everything. So this morning, right? Today is Sunday, I think 4th May, 3rd May. I'm not sure, but then I'll insert that. I was scrolling through TikTok, guys, and I came across this place. It's called the Rock Gardens. It's in Bolgatanga. I'm in Bolgatanga, so it's located in Bolgatanga. And I just came across it. I was like, okay, why don't I ask my mom for permission and then come here and do the unboxing? Because I felt like the environment was like cozy. I felt like the environment was just like the type of environment I needed to unbox the microphone. And so I'm excited, honestly. Like when I saw it from the get go, I knew that today is my day. I had to really do the unboxing on this day. And so I'm super excited, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. You guys, I can even clip it on my shirts. See. Hey, am I doing it right? Hey, villager, oh, villager in town. Okay, can you guys hear me? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. See, the camera is super far away from me. Other times, I would have like the camera so close to me just so that the audio can be clear enough for you guys to hear. But then right now, I even feel more confident like in speaking because I've gotten this microphone. That is why I said this is like a new beginning for me. I feel like this microphone is going to help me do wonders. It's going to help me create a lot of content, like the type of content I've always wanted to create, like aesthetic. Oh, Jesus, please don't let me cry. Don't let me cry. I'm so excited. I can't wait to go home and show it to my mother. My mother herself has not seen this, because I don't know, I was anxious. If I had shown it to her, or like if I kept seeing it, it would have gingered me to do the unboxing like anyhow. But then I wanted to do the unboxing like in a very nice environment. And so here we go, guys. I really hope you can hear me because I haven't even tried to see if it's working like with the clip on, if the audio is still clear enough. But guys, I'm excited. I'm excited. This is beautiful, honestly. So guys, I got myself a tripod as well. I got myself a long ass tripod and I'm super excited. If you're on my snap, I know you've seen it already. Even though I've not given like clear shoes. I don't know, my outfit feels funny. The first time I wore this outfit, I was like really feeling bougie, but right now actually I just needed to wear something and then like get this done like quick. So this is a tripod I've been using like my entire life. See, a tripod is broken. It extends though, but not as long as the one that I have right now. It does extend, so you can imagine how I was creating like all those videos on my channel. Like I was really like me bro, actually not me bro. See, the tripod is even broken. It broke I think some few months ago. So I think I'll show you guys the tripod as well. Like I'm so excited to show you guys. It's like my YouTube family. Oh my god, we are growing like little. We are at 311 subscribers like right now. I really hope by the end of the year I clock like see guys, I'm even turning up. I clock like 1k, 1.2k subscribers. Like that is the goal, guys. 1.2k subscribers like by the end of the year. I hope this my dream comes to life, bro.